We see that John here and Rob are finished. The purple color represents something in review. Down here, we can see that Catherine is a work in progress, right? We can tie those colors together. And then, of course, down here with Jacqueline, we see that she hasn't even accepted it. It's in a signed state. We've assigned this, or Joeria has assigned this task to Jacqueline, and she hasn't even accepted it. So we're getting that feedback just from the colors. This is important because now Joeria can come in and she can reassign it, right? Let's say Jacqueline's not doing it because she's on vacation. Ike is covering for her while she's gone. She can come in, reassign it from Jacqueline to Ike. And then now Ike is going to get notified, hey, you have a task. He can click on that link. It takes him straight into the task. And he'll have his own buttons, right? As part of a task. He might say, hey, everybody's got a 2-week head start on me before you notice Jacqueline was gone. I need more time. And he can request an extension. If he's got questions about what he needs to be doing, his requirements specifically, he can request clarification, and that will bounce back up automatically to the person, in this case, Joeria, who sent him that request in the first place.